Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we're gonna learn about multiplication to 2-digit. You are beginners. I know you are beginners, so I will tell you about math for a long time. So let's go to the first question. First, we have to write tens and ones. Then we have to look at the down digit. We have to look this digit, and we have to multiply this digit to these two numbers. So first we have to multiply 2 to 2. 2 times 2, 4. You go over here. And 2 times 1. You must know the tables. If you know the tables, then you will know this. So 2 times 1 is 2. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 answer. So let's go to the second question. Let's go this way. Now we have to write the tens and ones first. And now, do you see the 1 over here? So we have to multiply the 1 to these two digits. First, to the upper digit. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 1 is 1. 13 times 1 is 13. This was an easy question. So let's go to the next question. This is a thing that comes in 3 times table. So first we have to look at the 5. Then we have to look at the down digit. It's a 2. And then you must know that 2 times 2 5s are 10. And here's a new thing over here. Now we have to carry this 1 over here. And 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. This is a... If you want to multiply 200 times 200, you do multiplication, not plus. Plus will take a too long time. So let's go to the last question. 20 times. Let's go to the last question. First we have to write 10 and 1. And then we have to look at the down digit. It's 7. So let's look at the 7. And we have to multiply 7 to 0. 7 zeros are 0. I think you think that 0 is none. So we have to multiply this digit to this digit. 7 2s are 14. The answer is 14. So I made a mistake because I didn't write the tens and ones over here. So I write it all of the questions. Let's recite that together. 12 times 2 is 24. 13 times 1 is 13. 50 times 2 is 30. 20 times 7 is 140. So I will come in the second or third class. Multiplication 2 digit. It's a hard way because math gets harder and harder. So I will come in 3 to 2 digit multiplication. Bye bye. See you next time.